So hello friends, today I will tell you how to fix Wi-Fi problem in your laptop. If you have a laptop and your Wi-Fi option is not showing here, so I will tell you how to fix this problem. Like this, look at this, I don't have any Wi-Fi option there. So even in settings, I don't have any Wi-Fi option. So how to fix this problem, I will tell you. There are many reasons behind this. First of all, I will tell you a few reasons. Okay, there may be outdated drivers. Outdated Wi-Fi drivers is also the reason behind this. And also there may be corrupted system files and also incorrect network settings. There are many reasons. I have told you few of them. So I will tell you how to fix this. First of all, you can check drivers if you have drivers there or not. Even if you have drivers, you need to check whether they are updated or not. If they are not updated, you need to update them. Okay, this is the first thing you can do. And another thing you can do is just you take your laptop to the professional technician. He can just check your Wi-Fi cable is properly connected inside or not. If it is properly connected, then there is no problem, and if it is not properly connected, you need to connect them properly. Okay, third solution and the final and maybe simplest of all, this is a Wi-Fi adapter. So before we use this, I will tell you something. So I already told you about the Wi-Fi drivers. If your drivers are already updated, so there is no problem with your drivers. There is any other problem due to which you are not getting an Wi-Fi option in your laptop. So what is the problem? So maybe I already told you about the Wi-Fi cable which is not connected properly, but in most cases it will be connected properly. If you don't open your laptop often, then it will not disconnect on its own. So in most cases I will tell you it is connected properly, but there is any other issues, so you don't really know what the issue it is. So in that cases you can use this. I will recommend you this because I don't recommend you to open your laptop. Whether you check your drivers are updated or not, whether you use this, these are the good two options for you. You should not open your laptop. It may cause a problem for you. So in that case you just spend to 300 to 350 rupees and buy this. So how to use this? So I will show you. I am not getting a Wi-Fi option here. I am not getting a Wi-Fi option here. I will show you. So even in settings I am not getting it. I will already show you also this. Look at here. I am not getting a Wi-Fi here option here. So I will show you how to use this now. So I have this and I have to insert it in the USB port of your laptop. So I will install it. Okay, give me few seconds. Till then you can subscribe my channel. So I have inserted it. Now let me check. It will take 1 minute, less than a minute in fact. So have I received a Wi-Fi here or not? I have not received it, but I am receiving it. You can just check. Now I have received a Wi-Fi option also, and also the mobile hotspot I have also received in this. Even I am receiving the Wi-Fi networks which are currently available here. So this problem is solved within seconds due to this gadget. Okay, due to this device. So this is a Wi-Fi adapter that I have installed. So this is the final and simplest solution because you don't really want to make any problems for your laptop.